Hey there guys, today we're going to make this cute little sloth Valentine's Day craft. The materials you need are scissors, a glue stick, a black marker. All I had was a Sharpie, but any black marker works. White, beige, pink, and brown construction paper. Also a paper for your background. Alright, first we're going to start off with our beige paper and we're going to cut out the body. So the body is basically the shape of the number 8. Alright, now we're going to take the same beige color and we're going to cut the arms and legs. So what I did was fold the beige paper in half and then half again to make 4 equal parts. And then we're going to cut out a kind of like long rounded shape. Okay, these are the arms and legs. They were a little long, but I went back and cut them shorter. So now we're going to take the white paper, we're going to cut out the face. So the face is just a round circle that's going to be a little bit smaller than the head on the body. Alright, now we're going to take our brown construction paper and cut out the little tree limb that our sloth is going to sit on. So here I didn't want to cut a super straight line because trees are not super straight and smooth, so I was trying to cut it a little bit jagged to give it texture. And then I tried to cut the other side as well. Alright, next we're going to cut out the brown parts of our sloth's eyes. So what I did was get the little circle we made for the face and traced it onto the brown construction paper. Okay, so next I'm drawing 2 kind of long rounded shapes that are connected to the edge of the circle. Alright, and now we're just going to cut those 2 shapes out. Alright, now that we have all our pieces ready, we're going to go ahead and glue these together with our glue stick. So I'm going to glue down the little tree branch first. And I'm going to place that right onto my background. Alright, so now I'm going to glue the face onto the body. And then I'll glue the body on top of the branch. Okay, next we're going to glue the arms and the legs. So I put glue on the top part of this arm and I'm going to slide it right under the branch. So this is going to make the sloth look like he's holding onto the branch and laying on top of it. I'm going to do the same with the back leg. And just slide it right on under. You can lift the branch up if it's still wet from the glue. And then now we're going to glue the other arm and the other leg onto the body. Alright, now we glue the eyes. Alright, next we're going to take that black marker or pin and I'm going to draw eyes on the sloth. So I want it to look like it's sleeping, so I drew them closed with some eyelashes. Then after you draw the eyes, you can add a nose and a mouth. And next I went ahead and added these little details to make it look like the sloth had fingers and toes. Okay, so next I got my pink paper, and this is for the hearts. So you fold it in half and then cut out half of a heart shape. So doing this will help you get an even heart every time. Okay, so now that I have my heart, I'm gonna place it right under the sloth's arm, so it kind of looks like it's hugging it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and glue only half of it down. I'm sliding it right under, putting the sloth's arm on top of it. I glued half of it down, so that way when you fold it, it'll look kind of like a book and open up. So on the inside is where you can write your Valentine's Day message. Okay, so now I decorated it. I added a bow and some hearts in the background. I wrote my Valentine's Day message inside. You can decorate your background however you want. I hope this was easy enough. It didn't use too many materials and it came out really cute. So I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day.